Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Okay, so there are two types of class that are available inside the inheritance. Okay, so that is the first one we are having is the parent class, and the second one we are having is the child class. The parent class is the class being inherited from, also called base class, and the child class is the class that inherited from the class. Okay, and also called the derived class. So these are the two kinds of class that are available here. Fine. So we are going to work on this only. First, we will see how to create a parent class. So the syntax is the same as creating any other class. This is the same format we need to work on. So here I have provided the class person. This is called the parent class here, the class person that we have created, and you have to create it in this way. So inside that, first you have to write def in it self first name and the last name. This is the example I have created. I am going to mention that example here. Okay, so you can see I have mentioned all the example and use the person class to create an object and then execute the print method. For after writing all this thing, you have to execute the print method. Then only you will be able to then only the particular things you have mentioned will get print and you will get the output. Okay, so these are the few kinds of terms you need to mention to create a class that inherits the functionality the other class. Send the parent class as the parameter when creating the child class. Okay, so for that, after creating the parent class, we have to create a derived class, then only the method will work it. Okay. To create the class that inherits the functionality from the other class, we have to send the parent class as a parameter. Okay. So create a class named student as I have created, which will inherit the property and method from the person class. That is the base class what we are having. Okay. So these are the few kinds of terms that we need to work on. So I hope you understood this much. You can read these terms and you will be able to understand it properly. Fine. After that, mentioning the class student of the person. So what it means? First, we are having the derived class, which is coming from the base class, that is the parent class that is available. So that is how it works. So use the pass keyword when you do not want to add any other properties or method to the class. Fine. So use the student class to create an object and then execute the print name method. So here I am writing the mic and another name, first and the last name, and then after that I will just mention print name. So it will automatically print the name that I want to create it. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.